Здравствуйте, ви можете да кажете, що там внутри? Там? No? Да. Спасибо. Friends, keep exploring and keep asking the information you want to observe, and you will find that people are very nice to respond your queries even if they don't know the information you are seeking for. National Museum, that is called as the National Museum of Republic of Kazakhstan in Astana, is one of the most magnificent building and display center. It is largest and one of the youngest museums in Central Asia. The museum's architecture and especially its entrance is a spectacle of its own. A striking composition of blue glass and white marble blocks, lining with Independence Square. It is a grand entrance that features a giant golden eagle soaring above a vast map of Kazakhstan. The museum offers a journey through Kazakhstan's past and present via its diverse thematic halls. These halls are specialized based upon the material that is displayed there. Especially Hall of Medieval History that displays artifacts from stone, bronze and iron ages to Middle Ages and up to the present life of Kazakhstan. The Hall of Gold that showcases breathtaking gold artifacts from the olden times, including exquisite jewelry, burial models, and a representation of Golden Man, that is the symbol of Kazakhstan's ancient heritage. Similarly, Hall of Ethnography that features full-size traditional youth alongside it exhibits displaying nomadic lifestyle, costumes, jewelry, and household items. On the other side, Hall of History that depicts 20th century art that is displayed, and it represents different revolutions, repressions, famines, and especially the ordeals of World War II. The Hall of Independent Kazakhstan not only depicts nomadic life, the traditional way of living, but also that presents Soviet era developments, including achievements in science, industry, and agriculture. Similarly, there is emphasis on country's evolution after getting a liberty from USSR and further spotlighting political, economic, and cultural. You can enjoy thoroughly the past, present, and future plans of Kazakhstan. The Hall of Astana that highlights capital's transformation through a multimedia city model, dynamic layouts, curved screens, and immersive media technology. It thoroughly elaborates each and every aspect of the life of Kazakh people. The Hall of Contemporary Modern Art that displays works such as paintings, graphics, installations, and sculptures by late 20th and 21st century Kazakh artists. There is a huge display of variety of paintings, graphics, which depict not only the historical aspects of Kazakh society, but also provides a layout for the future ambitions and plans as a nation and as a whole society, the desire for the modern and future life. You can observe here immersive displays like the realistic market stalls, exhibitions, and the graphic art that is presented in a unique and a very wonderful way. A few noted that earlier that displays like a presidential throne or a painting of the art that represents the real aspect of a object. On the other side, you can observe a new edition that showcases impressive prehistory skeletons, including rex, mammoths, and also that depicts an artisan space with crafts, souvenirs, and work by local Kazakh masters. The exhibitions present harmony, mutual respect, dignity of humanity, and many such aspects which are very important part of the Kazakh life. One can discover the modern capital's journey from humble roots to present capital glory. One can easily engage with multimedia maps, dynamic city models, and mood setting digital displays. It's a wonderful experience to get first hand information about the history, culture, and life of Kazakhstan. A detailed information of the technological advancement, especially the space program in collaboration with Russia, that is the hallmark of the future of Kazakhstan. They boast of being the horse rider, and now they are considering themselves as the space explorer. It is the place from where USSR launched its most important space missions, including Sputnik 1 and Vostok 1, that started the first artificial satellite launching in space and first Yuri Gagarin man in the space. It is wonderful to observe and must see part.
Здравствуйте, девочка. Вы можете сказать, как я могу добраться здесь, Байтик, да, здесь, как я могу добраться?
На такси.
Байтик, Байтирек, да, Байтирек.
Вам такси?
No, по прогулку. По прогулку. Это можно?
Да.
No.
Так, щас. А вы кто по национальности?
Вы можете там сесть на 50 and 32
А,
bus.
32. 32.
да,
Вы можете
32.
говорить по-русски?
А,
Потому что
хорошо.
я хочу улучшить мой русский язык. Хотя
Отлично.
я говорю не только по-английски, по-русски, по-французски, по-испански, по-арабски, по-урду.
А вы
Я
откуда?
говорю, я из Пакистана.
Ну, пошлите, мы можем
Да,
чуть-чуть довести вас,
А.
и там вы увидите остановку и можете...
Один минут, пожалуйста. Девушка, вы можете сказать, это правильное направление здесь?
Да, верно.
Спасибо.
Friends, you have noted that how passionately the local people respond your queries. It's a wonderful culture here to have a direct contact with the people and seek the information whatever you like. The museum is centrally located at Independence Square, and many close by monuments are approachable by a walking distance, especially landmarks such as Kazakh Ali Monument, Palace of Independence, Palace of Peace and Reconciliation, Hazrat Sultan Mosque, and National University of Art. All these things or the monuments are very close to each other. So, with one ride, you can enjoy all these places and you can have a wonderful experience of your stay in Astana. Now, come to Russian lesson 21. That is again about the present situation. First sentence: Tam Bolshoye Muzey. Second: Сегодня я увижу этот музей. Third: Мне не нужно покупать билет. Four: Сегодня это бесплатно. Five: В музее интересные вещи. Six: Где портрет и живопись. Seven: Они в этом зале. Eight: Они мне очень нравятся. Nine: Мне нравятся артефакты. 10: Исторические и культурные вещи очень интересны. So keep learning, keep practicing and have a fun.